Welcome to my meal cartoon studio.
Are you ready for an awesome adventure? Today, we're going to have so much fun learning, exploring, and using our imagination. Are you ready? Let's go! Mountain pose, Tadasana. Tree pose, Vrikshasana. Warrior eye, Virabhadrasana eye. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2. Warrior 3, Virabhadrasana 3. Extended triangle pose, Uttara Trikonasana. Extended side angle pose, Uttara Parsvakonasana. Chair pose, Utkatasana. Half moon pose, Ardha Chandrasana. Revolved triangle pose, Parivritta Trikonasana. Standing forward bend, Udnasana. Wide-legged forward bend, Prasarita Padottanasana. Pyramid pose, Parsvottanasana. Standing splits, Urdhva Prasarita aka Padasana. Eagle pose, Garudasana. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.